Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Carlos from Descendants 3. So let's get started. To draw Carlos, we're going to first start by drawing his face. So I'm going to come right here, draw kind of like a bottom of a U, but a little bit more angular. So I'm going to come about right here. A little bit straighter lines, and we're going to start to bring it in. And connect it towards the bottom. There. So it's just a slightly more angular. This up a little bit more. Now we have his face in, let's come and draw his eyes. So I'm going to come back to where we started, and I'm going to come right here towards the edge and draw a curve. So I'm trying this new eye out for my Draw So Cute boys. So we're going to come about right here as well and draw another curve at the bottom. And then let's come in here and we're going to connect it with a curve on the sides. So same thing over here. So about right here. Once again, just a curve that comes towards the edge. Another curve at the bottom. And connect it with a curve. So then let's come in here. We're still making them look like Draw So Cute eyes. So two small circles. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There, so I have the eyes in, and then let's come above the eyes and we're going to draw his brow. So it's pretty thick, so I'm going to start right here and give it a slight angle, slight arch, and bring it up and thicken it. And I'm just going to go in there and color it in. So same thing over here. Slight arc and thicken it. There. And then let's come about right here towards the bottom and give him a smile and cap it off. And when you're coloring it, just give him all these little freckles inside. There, so let me know what you think of these new eyes for my Draw So Cute boys. So then from there, let's bring this line up a little bit more past the brow. Just going to start to build his face. So let's come towards the center. I'm going to find my center point, say about right here. Just imagining an oval. So say about right here, I'm going to start and draw a curve that comes up. And it's going to come right back down to this point and flare out. So then let's thicken this strand of hair. Just going to go up and connect it. Then let's come inside right here. Draw a curve. And let's finish this side. So let's go up once again, then angle it down and connect. There. Okay, so then now let's start to build his hair. So we're going to imagine this parting line's about right here. So I'm just going to kind of draw a curve about right there. So in this area, this side's going to go up and this side's going to go down. So let's bring this up. A nice full head of hair. Bring this down. So before I finish this part off, I'm going to come back down to here. So kind of around where the eyes are, I'm going to come about right here and just draw a strand of hair. I'm going to curl it up. And then let's come right in here and we're going to tuck his ear in. Just draw a curve right there. And from this point, let's zigzag 2 strands. Curl it in, and we're going to aim back towards that point. So just go ahead and connect it. There. So same thing over here. So kind of in the same area, but right here, that's about, say here, I'm going to bring in a strand of hair. This is going to go up. And let's once again come in here and just finish off the ear with a curve. Tuck in right there. So now let's come and bring this down. About right here, I'm just going to add a little strand of hair that comes out. And then you can go ahead and finish this curve. So then let's add some details for his hair. So I'm going to come about right here. Add a curve, add some crease, parting lines for our hair. It's always harsh, so harsh with a Sharpie. And then one here. Okay, there. That's about it for our hair right here. So then let's come and draw his body first before we finish the rest of his hair at the back. So let's come here and give him a neck right in the center. And I'm going to add a curve right here, really close. And then give him this little collar right here and connect it. You add a little detail right here since we're there. And now let's draw his shoulder. So from this point, let's bring this out. Nice wide shoulders. So then from there, I'm going to imagine his armpits are going to be about right here on both sides. So it's a little bit thicker because he is wearing that suit. So in this area, I'm just going to give it a slight angle line. This just helps me know where his chest area is and where I can start to put his arms. So from there, let's go ahead and connect this now. And about right here, let's bring this down just a little bit more. And then let's go ahead and connect it. Put the top part of his jacket. And then let's start on his pants. So we're just going to bring this down more. And let's say about right here in this area, we're going to add an angle line right in the center. And bring down 2 angles from the center. So then let's just continue and bring this down. So I'm going to get a little bit thinner as I come down. So say about that much and I'll cut it off. So same thing over here. And then about right there, I'm going to start his boots. So I'm going to continue the angle, just popping it out a tiny bit. And about right here, I'm going to flare it out. And connect it. So same thing over here. And let's add some details at the bottom right here. They're pretty high for the bottom. The same thing over here. So just 2 angle lines. and connect. Okay, so now that we know where his waist is and his hips, we can go ahead and draw the arms. So the first detail I want to draw right here is this shoulder pad. Kind of comes up, so piece right here and bring it in. And then now I can go ahead and draw his arms. So his armpit's about right here. And just add a curve. Comes down to about right there. And just follow my curve. So say about right there, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off. And then add his hands. Just his thumb. And just curve in his fingers. So same thing over here, except this side has these kind of like a football shoulder pads. So it's going to be 2 of them. So about right here, round it off, bring it back in. And then there's another layer right here at the bottom. And then same thing as this side. Go ahead and curve towards this area. About right there. And connect. So once again, same thing. Thumb and fingers. Okay, so now we have that basic shape in. Let's go back and we're going to finish off his hair. So I'm going to come right behind the ears and I'm just going to start to zigzag and tuck it right back in under his face right there. So same thing over here. There, so I have his hair in now. That's all done. Now to add all the details. Are you ready? Let's start with the chest area first. We're gonna, well, at the bottom first, let's add this curve. Comes down. And the center, zipper area. I'm just going to lightly draw lines across to make it look like a zipper. And right here is the main 2 angles where his armpits are. And thicken that up. And some lines of color here. So I'm just going to go ahead and fill this all in. And if I'm going too fast, please just pause the video. So in this area about right here where his knees would be, I'm just going to draw the knee pads. So just 2 curves, simplifying the outfit. And now we can go ahead and finish off the designs on his pants. So there, hope you love how my version of Carlos from Descendants 3 turned out and inspires you to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Drastic Cute videos. See you later.